I put both them bitches in the front, talk about this big.
Damn, that's a big bitch, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that bitch, but that's a nice motherfucker, man.
It's everyday shit.
That's everyday, so they ain't just for no camera shit. They ain't no camera shit. Tree life. Why the name?
Shit, it's always tree life, you know what I'm saying? But not only just that, you know what I'm saying? I feel like regardless, anybody in this world is a seed. And the only way that you can grow is prospering, nurturing, paying attention, learning. Nigga ain't gonna learn shit just sitting on his motherfucking ass, man. So anybody in the tree life, we moving while we blazing.
Is that a collective of people, group, or is that a label?
Yeah, not a label yet, but me, baby, my manager, a couple other people who fuck with the vision.
Okay, I fuck with that, man. We live on the back streets with your girl Cole, man. We got the homie blowing stupid gas, man. I wish y'all could see that big motherfucker. Front toe up in that, that's a front toe leaf. So no backwoods, no swishers, man. We gonna go right into it. Why?
They got too many additives, man. If I gotta put that shit in the motherfucking sink, dab it off, and man, that's too much work. I wanna smoke. The nigga get off, or a nigga in the car rolling something up, bro, just rip out the leaf. Roll that bitch up.
Okay. So it's not cause I believe, in my opinion, backwoods has became like popular over the years. It's like 10, 15 years ago. I don't recall him, but then I could be wrong, man. But let the streets know who he is, man. I told him you was coming, man. Let them know.
Yeah, you know, TreeLife Tr3, man. You know, TreeLife_TR3. Check me on IG. Right now, my motherfucking Spotify under Fern Tr3. That was originally my name, but it's always forever real. It's just a matter of...
You say your Spotify what?
Fern Tr3.
Oh, okay. So what made you switch it?
I switched it because I feel like, me personally, my music is about stoner shit. I still real forever real, but tree life is where it's at.
Okay.
If you're a stoner, you already know what it is. If you ever seen me, you can't never say that a nigga ain't had no gas. All medical.
I feel it. What do you think about people that smoke that fake weed? I'm serious.
I feel like
they be on, be on, you know, some people be on papers and shit, and
I feel that, but at the end of the day, I mean, if you got a result of smoking some shit that you already know get you somewhere that you don't need to be,
right?
Nah, it ain't for me.
So do you prefer people who just gotta smoke, take their reach and smoke some?
Yes, dog. I was on papers and smoking.
Okay.
It just a matter of shit. You know what you gotta do.
I feel that.
Before I did it, I'm Googling shit, you know what I'm saying? But I found out it was something I ain't gonna say too much on camera.
I feel that. Tree life.
There's some shit you can get rid of that shit with, man, or cover it at least.
For real. Elevate, man. Talk about it.
I sit on some stoner shit. So, it was just me and my element, sitting in the studio, hearing the beat, smoking. I had my dog EQing up.
Okay. How you pick your beats? Are you very selective how you pick your sound?
Personally, baby, tell you, I ride around with listening to beats all day. And I can go through 30, 40 beats until I hear that.
For real?
That 45th one, I'm like, that's it.
Okay.
And it don't matter what it is, it could be a pop beat, motherfucking rap beat, beat. You just gotta have that feeling, you know what I'm saying? It can't be something that you forced to do, it's organic.
Okay, I feel it. Savannah, Georgia, you been in Houston by how long now?
Shit, like 22 years.
22 years, so this is home for you, man. Do you feel it's gonna be hard for you to break as a Texas artist?
Nah, because I'm doing something different.
Okay.
I feel like...
What are you doing different?
I'm talking about something I'm doing every day. I mean, everybody can be on some gangster shit, but like all day. You gotta be with baby sometimes. You gotta be with your family
facts.
You know what I'm saying? So
Facts.
Like, yeah, it's relatable, but for how long? You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Who you grew up listening to?
MJG,
okay. Legends, okay.
Outkast.
You got a favorite Outkast song? I gotta show the camera this bitch, y'all. Like.
My favorite Outkast song.
I wish y'all could smell it.
Yeah, me too. Wish you smell it.
That bitch wish they could smell it. Let her know tap it. Favorite Outkast song or album, whichever way you wanna go.
Stank on You. If you talking album.
Okay, classic.
Yeah.
Okay. You got a favorite Texas artist, Houston artist that you grew up listening to? That you took?
Scarface.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, R.I.P. Bushwick, man.
Yeah, R.P. Bush.
Scarface. Do you have a favorite Scarface album?
Mm.
Let me see if I know you. I'm gonna say The Fix, but I could be wrong.
I mean, The Fix was hot, but I mean, I feel like more personally, it wasn't just his own album, it was them as a collective, as a group.
Okay, with the Ghetto Boys?
Yeah.
I feel that. Man, talk about what's next. What can we expect 2020? 2019 almost gone. 2020, what's coming?
The Love, South by Southwest 2020.
Oh, that's gonna be big. We going out there. I can't wait to see you there, man.
2 shows, 6th Street. Check me out.
Already?
If you don't see me, you gonna smell me for shit show.
Say that shit again.
If you don't see me, you gonna smell me. Just follow this shit. Just follow the motherfucking cloud. You gonna see it.
Man, speaking of South by Southwest, bro, man, talk about how important it is, man, to actually go to Austin and different, like I say, I know Georgia got the AC3 and that shit, but different festivals. Why is that shit so important to actually get out there to those type of festivals?
I feel like getting out to that is just not only networking, but being there. Social media is cool, but it's just a matter of like seeing the people with your face and shaking hands and shit like that. That's more of a personal network. People seeing exactly what you're about. As soon as I come over there, I'm gonna pass you this shit. Hey, what's up? I know you smoking that.
Why you not afraid to do that, being that most rappers, and please don't shoot me, take it the wrong way, be on that, you know, rah, I can't shake my hand or well hit this joint.
Man,
why are you so different?
Because I feel like that's a personal connection. People gonna remember that, say, man, that nigga had some gas. Sometimes people be asking other questions, and then I'd be like, yeah, you know, we'll talk on that on a personal level.
Right.
Too much is too much on camera. But
Big
at the end of the day,
big facts. Run that bitch back. If you don't see me,
nigga, you gon' smell me.
Man, I ain't gonna put that on my story because niggas gonna be sucking it already. Fuck no. They'll get it on the edge, man. Okay.
House of Blues after that, July 27th.
Okay, where at?
House of Blues.
Gonna be down here? Okay.
There you go.
Man, talk about what it's like to shit get on such a big stage. People don't realize the opportunity as far as the House of Blues. So many fucking names that went through that bitch, legendary names. Talk about that experience and what's that gonna be like for you.
I mean, that's gonna be a humbling experience, you know what I'm saying, to be on, for one, the same motherfucking stage Nipsey was on.
Facts, R.I.P.
You feel me? He wasn't on that not too long ago. So shit. Yeah, he was up there with Trey.
Yeah, okay.
So it's just shit. That's motivating in itself, and then it's a bunch of people. And when you in the stage like that, it's different than all these showcases. Everybody else just
talk about it.
Music. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's cool you networking with people, but they more so listening to the baby right now. They ain't really focusing on you.
Got you.
So me personally, when I do that shit, anybody can see I'm outside smoking gas. Hey, you want to hit this shit?
Yeah.
One of my TreeLife Tr3 stickers or
Man,
you know,
Trey,
on
bro.
some networking shit, because at the end of the day, bro, it's different.
And that's the way to stand out, man, in the game instead of doing all that, you know, riding the wave shit. Standing out, spreading love, showing love, passing this good weed. Because I always say weed make the world go around. They're just me. And we out mellow. How many tracks you throwing on that?
7.
Okay. Cool, you keeping it real short. Why you not going like most artists with 15, 16 tracks?
I mean, because I don't want to just too much show my catalog right now.
Being that
but I want to show that I got something, you know what I'm saying?
I feel that.
It's going to be my main 3 singles on there right now.
And that's gonna be the Strawberry Cough.
Strawberry Cough.
The Smoker's Anthem.
Smoker's Anthem. Medicinal Love.
Okay, man, talk about the name of that one.
Medicinal Love is more so just speaking in the moment. I was talking about my gal and saying that shit. I smoke so much with her because I'm trying to match the high that she giving me. I want you to be as high as I am. You know what I'm saying?
I feel that, man. A question I always ask on Backstreets, man. If you could put your Mount Rushmore of Texas hip hop, who would be on there? And that's 4 people.
Slim Thug.
Okay, why Slim?
Slim, he did it. He was already platinum.
Big facts.
You know what I'm saying?
Facts. Yeah. Okay.
Trey, of course.
Big facts. Okay.
Scarface.
Okay, one more.
I'm gonna put Bushwick big.
Bushwick, okay, R.I.P. Bushwick. That's a nice collective. Top 5 of all time. Who's your top 5 list?
My top 5: Bone Thugs, Jay-Z, Outkast, Andre 3000 himself.
Wait, so you gonna throw Andre and Outkast on that bitch?
Because
Okay.
I mean, they good as a group, but that man himself.
Okay, but let me ask you this: can you put Andre on there if he hasn't gave you that much work? He's still just that good.
It's just the lyricism.
Facts,
It's
gotcha.
not about just how much work. It's just what you saying.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put Starlito.
Okay. Why you feel Starlito independent with your brand, or would you sign, collab with somebody else and make the shit bigger, or would you take like the Nipsey Hussle Master P route?
I mean, if the money right, I'm all about it. Not only just the money, but if it's more to it. You know what I mean? It's promotion coming with it.
Okay.
A whole bunch of other shit.
So you wouldn't give away signing just shit. You are open to signing to anybody, not anybody, but people that's talking right numbers.
I mean, but it's gotta be some shit that's just legit. It ain't gonna be like 360 shit or sign from one nigga to the other nigga and the other nigga. Nah. It's gonna have to be just strictly.
Do you advise artists to sign with other artists? Sign to other artists?
I mean, do what you want.
Okay.
Each his own. Me personally, I mean, I wouldn't try to advise anybody to do something that I wouldn't do.
Right. So you wouldn't sign to another artist? I got that. Any advice you get? IG, YouTube, Twitter, whatever you got, man.
TreeLife _TR3. That's everything. If you're looking for me, that's where you find me.
And why the 3? You just did it different like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's always been like
Any merch coming? Any?
Yeah, t-shirts coming. Stickers already. We already got the stickers where you scan your phone and the video show. Yeah, I should have bought one.
Damn, you showed shit. What made you got into that? A lot of people don't have that.
Networking. A lot of, exactly, you know what I'm saying? Just,
Damn, I wish you brought one of them home.
I wish I would.
And you scanning and what?
Yeah, you scanning on your phone and the whole video. But matter of fact, hold on, I'm gonna put that bitch on my phone, find the video.
Damn, he say you scanning.
I think so.
Damn, that's dope. So, man, TreeLife Tr3, bro, just listening to you, bro, you so different. I like that. Please don't change that.
Not at all.
Please, man.
Watch this shit right now. And it's a sticker too.
That's a sticker.
Yeah, you can take that bitch off and put it in there.
Play it again.
Play it.